1. We're on. It's on quarterfinal number 1 for the women's division. Nikki Peterson versus Isabella Nichols. It's going to be a barn burner all day long to crown the champion for each the women's division and the men's division. Who is going to begin the World Championship Tour WSL. Conditions. Here we go. We got a power. Nikki. She'll pull in the back door. Gets a quick cover up. Draws off the bottom. And comes hard up the top. One more quick snap. Into the finish move and bashes it off the inside. Surfers will have to be removing himself on the beach and stay in front and entertain. In order to get in the kitchen, Thomas and the crew doing great work each and every day that we're on. Breakfast and lunch, mahalo. So stay up in coastlines. Iris management technical Isabella leads at 4-0-1. 12 minutes, 40 seconds remaining in these heats. Out there in the water, surfing the heat. Let's hope that this will can offer up something for Isabella because with priority, she's on the power. Taking a look here, nice ball. Drop it in, back door, she's slipping out of the section. She's going to pull in, deep ball here. Looking for the exit, Isabella.